Hey, make merry when the time is right. And at J. Kusenga Farm, there is no right time to marry like the harvesting time. Now, there are different ways to get the apples that we have in the farm. And one of the main ways that we do is grafting. Now, today's episode is to show you how to graft. Let's graft.
To graft this traditional apple tree, you need 5 things. 1, you need a shear. 2, a grafting knife. Number 3, you need a grafting tape. Number 4, you need a scion for the new variety of apple you're introducing. And number 5, you need a measurement. Like you can use a tape measure for 1 feet. This is 1 feet. To know from the ground to the level of grafting should be 1 feet. In grafting an apple tree, you need first to measure from the ground to the grafting area. It should be in 1 feet. So you need to cut your grafting area of this rootstock to be 1 feet from the ground. After that, now you go to step 2, which is cutting the grafting area. Now after that, you go to step 3, which is slicing in the middle of the rootstock so that you can apply top banding. After that, now you go to the next, taking the scion, you sharpen it both sides like a V-shaped. You do it that way, and then you join the rootstock and the scion together in marriage, so that all the membrane sides should be all equal attached to each area of grafting. After that, now you need to tie it very tight to an extent that there's no water or moisture can enter the grafting area. So after tying, you wait for 21 days and your graft will be well developed and it will have shoot to a tree.
An apple a day, you already know the phrase. 2 apples a day fires the doctor. But if the doctor is pretty, man, forget about the apples. But don't forget about us.